Hey there, Garrett here. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a fiber optic technician working with microduct or air-blown fiber cables, you know how important it is to access buffer tubes quickly without risking damage to the fibers inside. In this video, we're taking a look at the Cable Shaving Plier Kit for buffer tubes from Jonard Tools, part number CSHP-1123K, a precision toolkit designed to shave open buffer tubes safely and efficiently. Let's take a quick look at some key features that make this kit a great addition to any fiber technician's toolkit. First, precision shaving capability. The ultra-sharp blade is designed to shave open buffer tubes cleanly, allowing you to access the fibers inside without damaging them. This makes it ideal for working with common fiber cable designs, including those from manufacturers like Corning and Hexatronic. Second, the interchangeable cartridge system. Precision cartridges securely hold buffer tubes ranging from approximately 1.1 to 2.3 millimeters in diameter, ensuring accurate positioning and consistent shaving results across different tube sizes. Third is controlled fiber-safe cutting. The blade and cartridge design guides the tube during the shaving process, helping remove the outer material while protecting the delicate fibers inside. And finally, a complete ready-to-use kit. The CSHP-1123K includes the shaving pliers, multiple precision cartridges, and a durable carrying case so everything stays organized and ready for field use. If you're looking for a reliable way to open buffer tubes quickly and safely during fiber prep, the Jonard Tools CSHP-1123K Cable Shaving Plier Kit delivers the precision and control technicians need on the job. And that's it for today's video. As always, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for many more product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.